Hello everyone, this is Deme again from smarttraderclub.com. I hope you're all doing well this week. And in today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can simply calculate your position size in just simple steps. You probably know the position size is really an important issue and critical metric that will determine your profitability in the long term. If you care about the risk and money management rules, you should care about the position size also because it's really vital. And if you want to protect your account, also be a profitable trader in the long term, you should care about this important key metric. And I think it doesn't need to talk more about the importance of the position size because you probably know you have here before. And in today in today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can exactly calculate your position size step by step. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to know is uh, how much is your current balance of your account, and after that, you should know about how much is your risk. For example, 1 to 3% is typical and highly recommended. Also, you should know and determine your stop loss. And after that, you can simply calculate your position stop by this simple formula. But today, I'm gonna calculate the position size in a with a with the example, and we will calculate the position size step by step together. So, suppose you have $10,000 in your account and your current risk is about 2%, and you also uh, it means you never lose more than 2%, which equal $200. If I want to calculate this with calculator, you should multiply this amount by your risk, which is 2%, and you can see $200 is your current risk amount, which is mean you should never lose more than $200, 2% of your whole account in each trade, whether short or long, whatever your stop loss is, it doesn't matter. And what you need to know, the next step is the determine your stop loss. So first of all, you should know we want to take a long position in the for the pair of VTC USDT around here, and actually we put our stop a little bit lower than our entry price, about 3%. So how we can calculate our position size, which means uh, we shouldn't never lose more than 2% of the whole account. It means $200, it's equal to $100. We should simply divide this amount of risk, by our current stop loss, which is 3% in this instance. So as you can see, sorry, we should uh, divide this amount, $200, with current stop loss, which is $6,666. It is exactly my position size for this current position, and I will never lose more than 2% of the whole account, $200. And at least I know I can control my maximum loss and protect my position. Whatever, wherever it want to go, I know I will never lose more than $200. So after that, I'm gonna show you also these Excel sheets uh, that I provided before, and you can also use it for your own trade. It's just really easy. It's far more easier way to calculate your positions. Also, you can calculate the margin if you want. For example, suppose I have $30,000 in my account and my current risk is 1%, and my stop loss, I don't change this price, and my stop loss is 4.17. So my current position size is about $720,000. Sorry, I should change this risk. So as you can see, my position size is 7.20, $200, and my margin is 1. But sometimes, as you probably know, we need to borrow money and actually use margin for our position. For example, if I change my risk to 3% and change my stop loss to 23.9 $1,000. As you can see, in this case, my position size is $216,000, which is significantly bigger than my account balance. And I should use margin in this case, only in this case. And but otherwise, you should never lose margin. Just only if the case that that you need to use margin, for, like this example. And yes, that's all for this tutorial post. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I hope you use this spreadsheet and this Excel calculation for your trade. As always, if you would like to support me, please smash like button, drop a comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it with your friends. See you next time. Bye.